Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week we are doing a 15 by 17 slab for, it's gonna be like a pergola and a set of stairs. So it's gonna be a little beefy. It's gonna be 5 inches thick. It's gonna have number 4 structural fiberglass rebar. We're gonna do a pier on each corner. So it's gonna be a pretty overdone, that's for sure. But stick around for the excavation, the prep, and my favorite part, the pour. And we'll see you then, guys. Have a great day. Cuando lo comienza uno no se parte. No sepa.
Ahí me, ok. O al otro, el que sigue, falta uno más. No, toma. Pon lo que vas a poner y lo. Arriba.
Está bien,
Que no baje tanto, mira, como por ahí así. Un poquito. Estaba cortando la extensión.
Yo que están torciendo en frenas antes que se quiebre un lápiz.
Pues, morder, pues otra, pues ataca y otra, pues, hombre.
Hey guys, all right. We got about 3.5 inches of road base down. Everything is level for the addition they're gonna put on here. Rebar is laid, everything's looking good. There it is, guys. We got our piers in there. They're at least 30 inches deep. This thing is definitely very beefy. We're gonna end up pumping this because I'm worried about the level and I don't wanna be fiddling with the perimeter since I can't even get it from that side over there. But there it is. We'll see you at the pour, which is in about a week. We have some snow coming in, so we're gonna skip the next couple of days and just relax at home. But thanks for tuning in, guys. Bye.
Oh, yeah, baby. Okay. Y luego aparte de ahora con las guerras, allá para que coman los muchos, que están complicados. ¿De dónde va a salir el dinero?
Tercer teléfono ya trae una chapita, dirá, porque aquí sí, si pierdo este.
Eso tenían alzada, además le pues activaron el número. Pero ese ya parece
Claro, los teléfonos. Yo no. All right, guys, pour went well. There it is. What do you think? It is level for the most part. We had to make a change actually. So we decided to do, when we were doing this, customer made up some plans. On that corner, they told us go 5 feet off that corner that way, and you should have 15 feet total. When I measured this out, it was 16 feet and some change. So we had to move this form back. You can even tell they're leftover road base. So we have to scoot this back. From here, we have 15 feet. From here, we have 15 feet. From that corner, we have 17 feet. From that corner, we have 17 feet. But there it is. I mean, pour went well. Tonight is going to be 40 degrees, so we do not have to cover this. No blanket marks, even though they're going to build over this. But there it is, guys. First job of the year. Next week, we are doing a very long sidewalk. We've actually been doing kind of that and this one back and forth because of the weather. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It wasn't nothing crazy or wild. We got some big jobs this year that we are excited to show you guys. But thanks for sticking around, waiting for us during winter. See you then, guys.